Welcome to the Power Platform Advent Calendar. Today, we will be focusing on the compliance and accessibility topic within the Power Pages. Let's talk about how to ensure the accessibility in the Power Pages. So, Microsoft is committed to make the product and service accessible to everyone. But before we go deep into that, let's talk about what is the accessibility and why it is important for the Power Pages as an external facing website. Accessibility refers to the design and creation of environment, product, and services that can be used by all people, including those with disabilities. This include physical spaces, digital content, and various form of communication. Now the question is why the accessibility is important. So the first one to ensure that everyone, regardless of their ability, can access and benefit from the same resources and the opportunities. Also, many companies have the laws and the regulation that require accessibility, such as American with Disability Act, we call the ADA in the United States, or the Web Content Accessibility Guideline, WCAG internationally. Accessible design often leads to a better overall user experience for everyone, not just those who has a disabilities. It also promotes the equality and help to remove the barriers that prevent people from participating fully in the society. By making the product and service accessible, business can reach a wider audience, including the millions of the people with a disability worldwide. Power Pages follow the global accessibility standards, which include the WCAG 2.1, the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG 2.1 covers a wide range of the recommendation to create the accessibility of the web content. Following the guidelines, make your content accessible to the wide range of users that include the accommodations for the people with the visual impairments, hearing loss, limited mobility, inability to speak, blindness, and the low vision, deafness and hearing loss, limited movement, photosensitive, and cognitive or the development disabilities. These guidelines also address the accessibility of the web content on the desktop, laptops, tablet, and any of the mobile devices. The US General Service Administration Office of Government Wide Policy OGP is tasked under the Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act to provide the technical assistance to help the federal agency comply with these requirements and ensure that the information and the communication technologies is accessible to and the usable by individuals with a disability. EN 301549 from the European Telecommunication Standard Institute ETSA provide an open, inclusive, and the collaborative environment. This environment support the timely development, rectifications, and testing of the globally applicable standard of the ICT-enabled systems, applications, and the services. To create an accessible website, follow the WAI-ARIA authoring practices, which the URL is displayed here on the slide. Also, you will get the URL in the description of this video. Please note that as a maker or the developer, you are responsible for meeting accessibility standard when you customize your Power Pages site. This is all for today. Stay tuned with us for the next daily doses of the tips in the coming days. I will also provide you the great tips to ensure for accessible content. Till that, goodbye and see you soon.